Hello children, today we are going to start new chapter of geography, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay, in this chapter we are going to discuss about the vegetation of India, different types of forest found in India, and the wildlife. So children, first of all, what do you mean by vegetation? All the vegetation, all the plants that are found in a particular place is termed as vegetation. Okay, now children, have you observed the type of trees, bushes, grasses and birds in the fields and parks in and around your school? So all of us, those who are residing in township, if you observed our township, we will see that there are different types of vegetation, different types of trees. There are some flowering plants, there are some non-flowering plants, big, so different types of vegetation can be seen in townships. So in the same way, India being a vast country, you can imagine the type of bioforms available throughout the country. Okay children, so now let us start the chapter. Our country India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world, with about 47,000 plant species. How many plant species are found in India? Nearly 47,000 plant species are found in India. India occupies 12th place in the world and 4th in Asia in plant diversity. Okay, 12th place in the world and 4th in Asia and 4th in Asia in plant diversity. So you can imagine, clear, the variety of vegetation found in India. India ranks 12th in the world and 4th in Asia as far as plant diversity is concerned. There are about 15,000 flowering plants. 15,000. How many? 15,000 flowering plants, which accounts 6% in the world's total number of flowering plants. The country has many non-flowering plants such as ferns, algae and fungi. Okay, these are non-flowering plants, ferns, algae and fungi. India also has 89,000 species of animals. 89,000 species of animals are found in India, which is a very, very big number. India has rich variety of fish in its fresh and marine water. Okay, a variety of fishes are also found in the country. Okay children, so this is all about plants and animals life in India. Now, natural vegetation. Natural vegetation. What is natural vegetation? Vegetation which grow. Okay, vegetation which has grown naturally without any human aid and has left undisturbed by human for a long time. This is termed as virgin vegetation. Natural vegetation is also known as virgin vegetation, means The vegetation which grow naturally. Vegetation which grow naturally without any human aid, and also remain undisturbed by human beings. Okay, by humans, is known as natural vegetation, which grow naturally and also remain undisturbed is by humans, is known as by humans for long time is also termed as virgin vegetation. Thus, cultivated crops, fruits, orchards form part of vegetation but not natural vegetation. Okay, children, so see, crops, fruits, fruit orchards, they form part of vegetation. They form part of vegetation but not natural vegetation. Okay, crops, fruits, orchards, they form part of vegetation but they are not considered as natural vegetation. Okay, children, now let us discuss two important terms. There are two types of vegetation: endemic and exotic. The virgin vegetation, which are purely Indian. Virgin vegetation means natural vegetation. ठीक, vegetation which are purely Indians are known as endemic species. Vegetation which are purely Indian are known as endemic species, but vegetation which have come from outside India, vegetation which come from outside India are termed as exotic plants. Okay, children, so see, vegetation which are purely of Indian origin are known as endemic species, and vegetation which come from outside India, they are known as exotic plants. Okay, now children, the term flora there are two more terms, flora and fauna. Flora is used to denote plants. Flora means plants, and fauna means animals. Okay? And in India is quite rich in its flora and fauna. So, children, let us just see once again what is vegetation. All the plants that are found in a particular area or in a place are called vegetation. India is very rich in its plants and animal life. Nearly 47,000 plant species are found in India, and 15,000 flowering plants. 89,000 species of animals are found in India. Then natural vegetation which grow naturally without any human aid and also remain undisturbed for a long time, is considered as natural vegetation. Crops, fruits, orchards, they form part of vegetation but not considered as natural vegetation. There are again the virgin vegetation is divided into two: endemic or exotic. Endemic species are those which are of Indian origin, purely Indian origin, and vegetation which come from outside India are termed as exotic vegetation. Okay, children. So this is all for this class. In the next video, we will discuss factors responsible for the distribution of flora and fauna. Thank you.